Hello and welcome to How to Guide. In this video, I'm going to be talking about Grammarly and how to use it. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Grammarly is a digital writing tool designed to help users enhance their writing by checking for grammatical, spelling, punctuation, and stylistic errors. It's available as a browser extension, desktop app, mobile app, and can be integrated into various platforms like Microsoft Word, Google Docs, and email clients. Some of the main advantages of Grammarly is grammar and spelling correction. It detects and corrects grammatical errors and spelling mistakes, ensuring that your writing is accurate and error-free. Punctuation check. Grammarly helps you with proper punctuation uses, which can improve the clarity and flow of your writing. Style and tone suggestion. The tool offers suggestions to improve the tone and style of your writing, making it more engaging and suitable for your audience. Clarity and consciousness. It suggests ways to make your writing more concise and clear, helping you eliminate unnecessary words and improve the readability. Vocabulary enhancement. Grammarly provides vocabulary enhancements, offering alternative word choices to make your writing more varied and sophisticated. Plagiarism detection. This is a premium feature which includes a plagiarism checker that compares your writing against billions of other pages to ensure originality. Customization and accessibility is also there. It works across different platforms, allowing you to use it in email, social media, documents, and more, ensuring consistent quality in all your written communication. You can set your writing goals based on the audience, formality level, and tone, and Grammarly will tailor its suggestion automatically. So this is the main page of Grammarly. You can see that there is option of sign up and sign up with Google. So if you don't have your account yet, you can use one of these, or if you already have signed in to Grammarly and sign up to it, go ahead and click on login. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on sign up with Google because I don't have a Grammarly account as well. I'm going to select my main Google account and click continue to sign into Grammarly. After I do that, you can see that this is a page for Grammarly and you can see what you are using it for. So just go ahead and write down your mail, and after that you can see this page will load up. So what is most of your writing for? The three options are work, school, and other projects. Just go ahead and click on school or your work if you are using it for work. Click next, and there are three options or five options over here in this case: high school student, college student, graduate student, educator, and other. So you can select which one you are, select the year you graduated in, and click next. Now you can select some of the work you want to do with Grammarly, which are paper, coursework, emails, application, career documents, public posts, and creative content. So go ahead and choose any of these and click next once again. Now you can see that there are a lot of tools over here. You should select what you write in the following apps and websites. So you can select all of these because Grammarly is available in each and every of these applications. So go ahead and select all of these because if you use all of these, Grammarly will be available there. You must just add an extension. So just go ahead and click on next after you tick on any of these. So you can see there are two versions, the premium and the free version. The premium version will cost $12, the US dollars. So you can see some of the advantages of the premium version, and you can see the normal free version as well. So I highly suggest you to take the premium version if you are a worker and if you have to do a lot of documentations and such works. So if you do this, you will get a lot of advantages as well. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on continue to Grammarly as I don't want this. So you can see Grammarly is for Windows plus Microsoft Edge. You can get it for your Microsoft Edge as well and your Windows as well. So just go ahead and select this and it will automatically be downloaded. So you can see that the Grammarly installer has been downloaded and installed. Just go ahead and click on open file, which is over here. Wait for a while and the Grammarly will be finished. Wait for a while and it will be over in a while. So as you open Grammarly on your website, you will see the type of interface where you can do a lot of things. So you can see that you can add the Grammarly into your Edge as well, which we are doing right now. So in a while, the Grammarly can be added to the as. So you can see add to as option. As soon as you click on it, you can see the extension over here. So you can see the Grammarly has been installed to your PC. Now you can sign up to your account or sign in to your existing account. But for now, let's go ahead and skip this and click on continue to Grammarly. As soon as you click it, you can see that if you click open, now you will be signed into your Grammarly account over here as well. So click on open Grammarly, wait for a while, and there you go. You have just signed up to your Grammarly account and signed into your Grammarly on your PC app as well. So now you can easily use this. And you can also install the as extension over here. So you can see that this is here. Go ahead and click on get, click on add extensions, and congratulations, you have just downloaded the extension for Grammarly. Go ahead and click on sign in to sync data, or you can ignore it as well. So you can see the Grammarly is available over here. As soon as you click it, you can see the quick settings option. So go ahead and enable this option if you want, and it will start to take it. So you can see you can add new document over here, or else if you want to open the Grammarly on your website or your web page, you can just go ahead and click on this extension over here and click on my Grammarly. Now you can see that you can start doing your things. So click on upload, which is over here. After click on upload, you can now start uploading your documents, or you can just go ahead and copy and paste your text. So I'm just gonna go ahead and upload a document. So just go ahead and copy and paste this or upload it. So after you copy and paste this over here, in a while Grammarly will tell you what is right and what is wrong. And you can see over here it will suggest you things you want to change as well. So you can see that you can change things over here. As soon as you click on it, you can see some of the errors being showed. So you can select, click on accept, and the words will be changed. So you can see that as soon as you click on it and click accept, the words and the whole sentences will be changed, and it will tell you what is right or what is wrong. So some of the premium features will have this diamond icon. Other than that, you can see all of the features is working perfectly, and Grammarly is working perfectly too. So you can see over here there are options like save document, upload file, download. You can use this and use the editorial version of Grammarly to correct your sentences and make your punctuation great. So guys, I hope this video about how you can use Grammarly on your PC was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.